I am talking serious. I will serious to go to college. I will serious to go to home. Huh?
Naveen? Naveen?
Next, I am coming here to not class. My not class. Please go outside. Go outside.
Hey, okay, step here.
You not coming my class. Please, sir. No, I will not excuse you. What is your name? Why do you not go to college? Attendance is not here. Attendance. 75% attendance here. College. Your scholarship not applied. Then give me your paper. This paper. You have done the problems. English problems.
Not a problem.
Wait 1 minute. What TV? Huh? I will tell you so many times. You go your class. I am telling you so many times. This mic.
चिच्चा